Lena didn't like electricity. It felt mysterious, invisible, slightly scary. She was sitting at her desk with a small battery, two wires, and a tiny light bulb. I don't get it, she said. How can something I can't even see make this bulb glow? Suddenly, one of the wires started to wiggle. A tiny glowing spark popped out. Because I'm always moving, it said proudly. Lena jumped. Who are you? I'm electricity. Well, not exactly. I'm one of billions of tiny particles called electrons. And when you connect a battery, it pushes us through the wires. Pushes you how? Lena asked. Think of the battery like a water pump, the spark explained. It creates pressure. That pressure forces us electrons to move through a path. What path? A closed path called a circuit. The spark pointed to the battery, then the wire, then the bulb. When you connect the wire from one side of the battery to the bulb and back to the other side, you make a loop. If the loop is complete, we run. Lena carefully connected the second wire. Click. The bulb lit up. The spark zoomed through the wire like a tiny runner on a racetrack. We're not magic, it shouted while racing past. We're just moving charges. When we pass through the thin wire inside the bulb, it resists us. And that resistance turns our energy into light and heat. So that tiny wire inside the bulb slows you down? Lena asked. Exactly. And that slowing down is what makes the glow. Lena thought for a moment. So if I break the loop, you stop? She pulled one wire loose. The light went out instantly. The spark froze mid race. Circuit open. It sighed dramatically. Lena reconnected the wire. The bulb shined again. Circuit closed. The spark cheered. So electricity isn't just something dangerous, Lena said slowly. It's tiny electrons moving in a complete circle, carrying energy from the battery to whatever needs power. Now you're thinking like an engineer, the spark replied. Lena looked at the glowing bulb with new eyes. Electricity wasn't invisible magic, it was organized movement. And once you understand how the path works, you can power lights, motors, computers, even entire cities, all starting with one simple loop.